In this video we'll look at the program date, why you may want to change it and how to do that. Now on first loading stage, obviously it defaults to today's date. That's the program date down here. That will be the default date on all the transactions and reports that you produce unless you change it. You would change the program date when you're running the month and year ends, and you also might want to change it, say if you are producing a whole load of invoices with the same date and you didn't want to have to keep typing in the new date. So say we're on the 3rd of June today, but let's say we were doing everything for the end of May, had a load of invoices to do, and we didn't want to keep changing it back to the 31st of May. But just remember, once you've changed it for some reason, to change it back again. If you're running month and year end procedures, Sage will actually remind you when you finish the procedure. It will say, don't forget to change back to the current date. Also, if you were to change it now and then close Sage, next time you launched a program, you'd find it had defaulted back to today's date again. Okay, so if you want to change a program date, go to Settings, down to Change Program Date, and here's a window telling us that the default program date is the 3rd of June 08. Let's say we want to change that to the 31st of May, so 31/05/08. OK, and it's warning us here that that date actually falls outside the current financial year, which is correct because if you remember, we're in the demo data and its financial year ends in December 07. So that's fine, but we're just doing this to practice, so we'll say OK to that. And there you see 31st May 08, OK. Now look down here, it's changed. That is now telling us that today's current program date is the 31st of May 08. So then we go about our business, run our month end, enter our invoices, whatever we're doing. Then we say we want to change it back again. So we'll go to Settings, Change Program Date, and we'll change it back to, I've almost forgotten what the date was now, 03/06/08. OK, and again it'll warn us, but we're going to get used to that. OK, OK, and here we are, back to the 3rd of June 08.